Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Amazon wig install. Today I'll be showing you guys this beautiful wig from Unice Amazon. This is their pre-everything glueless water wave wig. This is a full 13x4 lace front wig, you guys. It comes with the pre-bleached invisible knots, it's pre-plucked, and the lace is also pre-cut for you as well. I have this wig in 24 inches and in 150% density. Now as always, I'm giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came along with the box, and I'm also going to give you guys some close-ups of that hair as well. So remember that this is a pre-everything wig, which basically means that everything is done for you. The bleaching, the plucking, the cutting of the lace, all of that is done for you. Now even though this is a 13x4, this particular wig actually has the luxury of a glueless install because it has the ear tape adhesive and it also has the adjustable elastic band as well. Oh, and not to mention it has the comb and of course the non-slip silicone base as well. So this particular wig has a ton of features on it, you guys. So the first thing that we are going to do is add some foundation onto that lace. You guys know that we do this with every single wig unit, and then I'm just going to go ahead and throw the wig on. Now if you need the wig to be a little tighter, you're just going to adjust that elastic band, but I kept mine pretty loose because sometimes with these pre-cut laces it falls too short of my natural hairline, so I like to keep my wig as loose as possible. That way I can adjust it if I need to, but once I'm secure and everything's set to go, I like to get all of the excess hair away from the lace so I can really see what she is looking like, and I use my wax stick and my rat tail comb to do so. Alright you guys, so it's coming time to lay the lace down, and normally I like to go in with my melting spray first, but I really want to talk to you guys about this ear tape adhesive. This ear tape adhesive actually gives you the luxury of having a nice glueless yet secure wig install, and it is super easy to do. All you have to do is peel off that blue strip and then just lay the lace down and press it firmly into your skin, and she is super secure. I'm even going to tug on it to show you guys that she was not going anywhere, okay? Super quick, super easy. Now if you are having any type of trouble with that ear tape getting sticky, you might want to clean off that area. As you guys can see, I was wearing makeup, but that particular area I kept it pretty light, that way the ear tape can stick nice and firm. Now depending on how the lace looks on you, you may not need to add any additional product. However, the lace was not laying completely flat enough for me, and then it's also a very transparent color, so she's showing up pretty white, so I will be using my melting spray as well just to make sure everything is blended in seamlessly. So far, this is what the lace is looking like, and now we're just going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay you guys, this is what the lace is looking like so far. We are going to let her melt underneath my elastic band and add a little bit more makeup, but so far she's looking pretty good, and as you guys can see, she is super secure, and the steps to achieve this was super quick and super easy. This isn't the first time you guys have seen this pre-everything wig on my YouTube channel, and be sure you guys are going to see a lot more because they are becoming very trendy very fast, and that's for obvious reason. You know, a lot of people are tired of having to do everything themselves when it comes to customizing wigs, so Unice definitely put things into motion with these pre-everything wigs. That way you literally have nothing to do, and you also have the ability to have a quick glueless wig install with a 13x4 instead of just sticking to a closure. So this time you guys can actually have a lot more versatility with your hairstyles. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation onto this lace. I'm just going to press it in firmly into my skin as well. That way the lace could blend in a whole lot better with my makeup and my natural skin tone. And as you guys can see, it worked very well. Was it 100% perfect? No, but I would say she was a good 85 to 90%. It's just the fact that this lace was super transparent. So Unice, if you guys are listening, Please make these pre-everything wigs with just strictly HD lace, not HD transparent. That way she could be brown and black girl friendly, please. But I am going to stick with a middle part for now, you guys, and I'm going to secure that middle part with my wax stick and my hot comb. Remember, this is a 13x4 lace, so if you guys want to switch up your parting style, you can. And as you guys actually saw in my intro, and you will see again in my outro, I did do a half up, half down style as well, just to show you guys how much room this lace has, and you know, just give you a little bit more versatility when it comes to this wig unit in itself. But it's completely up to you with what you want to do. If you want to add baby hairs, fine. You want to do a half up, half down, you want to do a side part, you want to keep the middle part, is completely up to you. Okay, moving on to the styling portion of this wig, and this is going to be just as quick and easy and painless as well. This is a water wave wig, and water wave wigs tend to require super low maintenance. It's actually one of my favorite curly textures because of this reason. All I did was just spray a little bit of water and I just combed my fingers through the hair. Now I did have a little bit of shedding, and I'm just going to assume that it's because the wig was fresh out of the box, and I don't know the last time anybody detangled this hair. She did look pretty defined once I took her out of the box as well, so I'm assuming that is the reason why. But after that initial shedding, I didn't really have a problem with it. And if you're wondering if I added any additional product to make these waves pop through, no, I did not. I strictly used just water, you guys. I kept it very light and very simple because I do not like sitting here in a soaking wet robe and using a lot of water on my wigs. I only do that if it's absolutely necessary, but with water wave wigs, you do not have to do that. So it was really quick and very painless, the install plus the styling as well. And again, after that initial shedding, I did not have any additional issues. I also did not have any tangling issues or anything like that. If there was only one thing I could complain about this wig, it's just the fact that the lace was transparent, and I would prefer purely HD, but other than that, I was very happy with it. Okay, you guys, we are officially done with this wig install. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this wig. And also, this hair was super cute with that half up, half down. Highly recommend. This water wave texture as well was amazing. So I really hope you guys see the benefits of this particular wig unit. This is probably one of the best 13x4 lace front wigs that a beginner can have. I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you learned something today, and I will see you guys next time.